So the date it's Tuesday, September the 30th, 2025. We're still giving updates on Volatility 25. We're on the 15-minute chart, and this is daily updates. So we still have an open trade from yesterday, and it's a sell since we had a breakout on the lower side of the range. So yesterday we had a bullish railroad, which meant we had to move our stop loss a bit further, and we're also supposed to be having a liquidity refill around this area. So if price gets to this area right here, I am supposed to enter the market, or I can still use this one because I think this one, I just feel like it's too close. Then yeah, we still haven't hit both our stop loss or our take profit, which is down here. Then today I think it's 5 minutes before I end my trading session, and I have no breakout today. So this day it's going to be yellow, which means there was no trade today. Maybe to back a little bit. I think this was the last time I made a video, so I ended up having a how many day win streak? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've had a good week or weekend, I should say. I had a 4-day win streak. So surprisingly enough, I had no mistakes these days. Like literally no mistakes. Except for this one, the last loss I took, I ended up choosing the wrong area for my stop loss. So I was supposed to use the edge of the range, and if you go a bit further with the chart, I never touched this area here. So this mistake is going to cost me about close to 4%, counting the loss I took and also the money that I was supposed to make just on this trade. Because if I had followed my trading rules the way I was supposed to, I was even going to have a liquidity refill entry that was also going to be successful. So that liquidity refill entry was going to give me around 1:12 sometimes, risk to reward. So yeah, nonetheless, besides this one, everything has been okay. So whatever happens with this one, emotional, I'm still okay. After I've had the roughest month so far, man. Look at all these red days. And even on this blue day here, the system actually won, but I ended up booking a loss. So what happened is I had an error. I used the wrong stop loss, which means I ended up risking more than I should have risked. So that means I had to move my stop loss or my TP a bit further. So that's what happened here. So wrong liquidity area, trader loss, not system. That's what I was saying. So putting a wrong stop loss, man, it ends up messing everything for the day. You end up having a wrong take profit and a wrong liquidity refill area. So always be mindful of your stop loss area. use the correct one, because that's going to actually determine where you put your TP and your liquidity refill area. So I'm sorry for being stammering today, man. It's just cold, as you can see. I'm even using a throw today. Nonetheless, today was okay. No mistakes. Emotionally, I think I regulated myself very well, and psychologically, I don't have anything to be worried about. So, yeah. Except that I've been alone for some days now. I think when you're a trader, always make sure you have some people to talk with, maybe not just to share what's happening in your trading account or trading journey, but just to talk about things in general. That also helps. It actually helps you just to take your attention away from the charts, because that's where you end up having to do a lot of mistakes. So, nonetheless, then should I give an update about cryptocurrency? Maybe I ended up buying more XRP today. Around this low here. So when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, I don't use any strategy, man. I just buy the dip, or whenever I get paid end of the month from my job. I end up buying a bit of XRP, and also on my trading account, if I have made, let's say, like I did over the weekend, I made a lot of money over this weekend, so I am going to be probably taking some of that into my crypto reserves inside my Deriv account. So that's what I love about Deriv, man. I can take some of my profits from my trading into a reserve wallet inside my trading account.